already know I'm your bestie, guys. Anyways, so today we're gonna play Escape Miss Mary's Library. So it's in Scary Obby, and let's start without yapping. Uh, by the way, shout out to Fantastic Obbies to help me make this video. Okay, and I hope I don't get copyrights. So let's play now. Okay, so my Mac is actually taking a long time to load. So, boy, thank you guys for helping me so much gain views. And I haven't posted for so long. So we will play. Okay, so let's see. Oh my god, where are we? We need to see. Okay, this is looking spooky. And we need to close the music, of course. You know why? Because of copyright. Sorry guys, but then we'll get copyright. So we need to close the music. Okay. Now, you know that Roblox has changed the logos? Okay, so escape Miss Mary's library. Oh my god, she looks scary, but she is fat, dude. Okay, we need to escape from here really quickly. Let's go. Is Miss Mary gonna come? Oh no, Miss Mary just... How did she just come out of the painting? Or she just came out of the wall? Like what? I don't know, but where we are, this place is really spooky. Touch this door. I don't know, bro. This is like the scariest thing. Oh no! Wait, did she catch me or did I die? I don't know. Okay, let's see. Oh my... Okay, so this is a checkpoint. Why am I in this dusty musty? Okay, I'll just get up. Wait, what? Okay, I need to find the key. Where's the key? Oh wait, there's this glowing thing. We need to quickly take it. Now we get the cell key. We need to put it. Okay, so now it's saying we need to go right here. Oh my god, I wonder what... Oh. So basically somebody gave me my sword, so let's just kill this guy. This is the spookiest game I've ever played. Anyways, oh my... How did I die? I don't know, but I don't have enough Robux to get a balloon. So let's... I don't have any Robux, but we have to escape. And thank you guys for giving me so many subscribers. You guys are the best. And if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. But if you're old, meaning like if you are like not new to this channel, then you can like not subscribe. But if you're subscribed and still watch to my channel, then that's good. But if you're not subscribed, then that means you should be subscribing right now. And if you can, then you can like. Okay, let's... I'm not forcing you to subscribe or like, but let's just play. This is like confusing, so I don't know what I mean. It's too late? What do you mean? What do you mean it's too late? What do you mean it's too late? Which way? Oh, I think it's this way. I think I got it. Oh, I got it correct. Let's go. Anyways, now I just have to go here. Oh, no. I'm not gonna let Miss Mary kill me. Oh, yeah. Whoa, bro, that was like the scariest thing I've ever done. Oh my god, my internet freaking went. Bro.